So as you can tell, the Eclipse is officially on. The idle is a little off, but it is on, and it is finally, not giving me any type of actual headache in regards to wanting to turn it on. So there was a couple things that had to be done, at least on this car. I was missing some components to run the speed density, and that was one of the main reasons why I didn't want to turn on in the first place. So a friend of mine, Frank, shout out to Frank, his cousin actually works on DSMs, and so gave me his MAP sensor with the cone and everything, and some other pieces. I forgot what exactly it was, but he replaced it, made it basically back to factory, and it's turning on now. The only thing that it's missing now is a dyno tune, which is something that I've been mentioning since the very beginning. At least we have it on now officially. As you can see over here, I have accumulated some parts. So I have the struts for the front and the back. I have the oil pressure switch. I have, I think this is the rear main seal, or the front main seal. I'm not exactly sure. I gotta look at my parts list. I got some tie rods. I got a good deal on these. Some door handles, oil pan gasket, valve cover gasket, and in here I have some original, forgot what they're called. What are they called? The rotors. So, I have some parts here, and there are some parts that I do have to order. But other than that, I'm gonna get started with these as much as I can, because there's been a lot going on. I have become a more busy person. This little boy came into my life. So, but it doesn't mean that the build and the channel is not gonna continue. It is gonna continue. I just needed a little break, but we're back. Hopefully this is more consistent. We have officially gotten the car started, and I am very happy. I'm very excited, and I'm pretty sure everybody in the house is excited as well. We'll get the Eclipse build going, and we will finish it off hopefully next year. The goal next year is to get it on the dyno, actually get it running good, so that way I can register it and put it on the road. So, but other than that, she turns on. So that's exciting. Hopefully in the next video, we can maybe, actually no, I was gonna say hopefully we could drive it, but I'm not gonna drive it. I'm gonna do some work on it first. And I'm gonna figure out what the misfire is, because as you guys can hear, it's misfiring pretty badly. It's running really rich, and like I said, I need a dyno too. So I just need to hurry up and get these parts on it, so that way the sooner I get the parts on, the sooner I can finish, the sooner it's okay. The sooner that I can go ahead and get it on the dyno. Once I get that on the dyno, then we can make this thing start looking pretty. So, smaller update, the first video of the Eclipse back. So I'm really excited. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Wanted to make a quick little bonus for this video. I want to ask you guys a quick question. Do you guys want to see every piece of the car being put together, as in all these parts that I did accumulate back here that I showed you? Do you guys want to see it on video, or do you guys rather just see, maybe give a summary of everything that I did? What do you think you guys would like to see? Please let me know in the comments down below. This way I could go ahead and see what you guys want to see. Because for me, I would go ahead and I am going to probably, either way, make a video on each and every step, each part that I install, that I can install, at least. Because I have already started taking off the struts on the car. So, we got the back going. The front's already off, and we'll get a whole video on just that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out.